Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now. It's live at 7:07:46 PM Melbourne time. Participants 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Team draw is this. Shannon Crowley with the Hawks, John Deaton with the Bulls, Don Smith with the Celtics, Glenn McCubbin with the Hornets, Stuart Sales with Rockets, Timbo with Wizards, Steve Harrison with Suns, Michael Jovanovic with Clippers, Stuart Sales with Heat, Hoddy with Magic, Nathaniel with Knicks, Ivan with Blazers, Glenbow with Pacers, Timbo with Raptors, Josh Keith with Cavs, Blake Riley with Pelicans, John Spence with Jazz, Michael Jovanovic with Nuggets, Ray Cora with Lakers, Lane Pierce with Wolves, Andrew Hurley with Nets, James Irvine with Bucks, Van Houten with Thunder, Don Smith with Warriors, Glenbow with Kings, Ray Cora with Spurs, Nathan Allott with Grizzlies, Hoddy with Pistons, Mavericks for Lane, John Deaton with the Sixers. And that's that. Team draw complete.